Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming project settings and importing your clips so nothing clips or drifts later. Create a subtitle track immediately from Timeline Add Subtitle Track. Once done, make sure your playhead is at the first line start and enable audio waveform or meters to see speech peaks. This helps you position captions accurately. You'll work faster if video and audio are locked to the timeline frame rate because captions snap correctly to frames and stay synchronized during trims. You add a subtitle where the playhead indicates and then type the line. Use Alt+T or the toolbar control to create entries quickly. Once created, drag the subtitle clip edges to match the spoken phrase. Zoom the timeline for frame-accurate trims because small shifts change meaning. Then open Inspector to set font, size, color, and vertical position so text clears important visuals. After adjusting one, copy formatting to others with the style drop-down or paste attributes to save time and keep consistency. You finish on the Deliver page and choose whether to export burned-in text or a separate SRT file. Burned-in ensures universal playback while SRT keeps accessibility and editability. Once done, confirm export settings match timeline frame rate and container codec to avoid timing shifts. If subtitles look out of sync, make sure the project frame rate matches source media, then retime subtitle clips or use the retime controls. A common fix is snapping all subtitle clips to the corrected timeline using nudges or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.